In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Lockfile. Lockfile ransomware is the part of the Xorist ransomware family. Obviously, the ransomware does a lot of damage with the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, it is not a problem to open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. They also see this scary message mentioning that the files have been damaged and encrypted, and obviously customers cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green download button. Install the software and then start researching your device. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and eliminating the majority of ransomware type threats. Combo Cleaner will begin scanning your system and will then give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Its premium license has got this anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed in order to see the full summary of all threats which were found during the scanning on your computer. Combo Cleaner Premium license can help you very well to protect all your files from all other possible ransomware attacks in the future. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats that were found during the scan on your computer. You can even see that this ransomware is indeed the part of the Xorist ransomware family, based on this detection by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete this ransomware as soon as possible and to have your data protected in the future.